So here's another daily tip from your friendly local dermatologist. All right, let's talk about coconut oil, because coconut oil is an enormous fad right now, and it does have some uses to it. It tends to be a fairly decent moisturizer. It also tends to be a fairly decent antibacterial agent. And so a lot of people use it for a lot of things. Now, I don't think it cures cancer, all right? This isn't snake oil. So consuming coconut oil in the right form and putting coconut oil on your body, as long as it doesn't produce problems, is probably a relatively healthful thing to do. I personally use coconut oil in my hair as a styling gel because it's plant-based, there's not a lot of chemicals in it, and it really doesn't smell that bad, while adding moisture and texture to your hair. I'll also put it on my skin at times, especially some of the dry eczematous areas. Now don't get me wrong, I still like my CeraVes and my Cetaphils and my Vanicreams and those sorts of things for eczema. But sometimes it's nice to change things up, and sometimes it's nice to put on an all-natural product.